Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to fix an issue with this JVC TV. As you can see here, it's actually a JVC TV. I don't know if you can see the logo, but of course we're having this problem where at the top and corner the screen is black and you're seeing HDMI 1 1080i at 60 Hz and it keeps flashing. When you're in TV mode, it's not showing anything on TV. So I have a cable box connected or something else and it's basically not showing anything on the TV. This is a bug with this TV and I'm going to show you to fix it. Alright, specifically this is happening to this version of the TV, which is the LT49KC485. It's a FHD, which is Full HD LED Smart TV from JVC. Alright guys, so as you can see here, it does this from time to time. I'm going to explain what's happening and how you can fix it. Now, of course, what's happening here is that the TV is out of memory, or RAM, which is RAM. So the TV itself is out of memory. It needs the memory to load in applications. These are smart TVs. So what's happening here is the TV basically needs memory or free memory to run. That memory is used up. This one has 1 GB and it's using that memory to run applications in the background and so on. So if you use stuff like YouTube in the background, it will use up memory. The TV itself uses memory. So I'm going to explain why it happens and then how to fix it. Now this particular TV, it will happen from at random or specifically when you open a big application. Alright, when the memory gets used up, this happens. It will not show until you do something about it. So get your remote, and of course what you're going to do from here is you're going to hit this here that says home. So you're going to take the TV home. Remember to point the remote at the sensor over here. Notice now it's on this smart TV panel right here. And once you're on the panel, what's going to happen guys is that let me just turn down the volume. So when I fix it, it doesn't give me a copyright strike in case the volume, alright? So as you can see here now, it's in the smart TV menu. Now every time you go to a big application, especially when you go to an app like YouTube, so as you see here, YouTube, if you go to YouTube and load a video, it's going to happen. When you go back to TV, TV is not going to play. You're going to see that black screen and it's going to be there for a while. You might at random get it to automatically restart. The TV itself might correct the problem. But of course, it takes a while and you might be confused. You have no idea what to do. And of course, you might be saying this TV is defective. It's just the memory, alright guys? So I'm going to show you what I do to fix it. So to trigger the problem, I can consistently trigger it by going to YouTube and play a video. As soon as I come back, TV will not come on. I'll have the error with the black screen. So in order to fix it guys, this is what I do. So go back to TV mode. Sorry about that. I'm going to go back to TV mode. So as you see here again, it's not going to correct itself. It's keep flashing. You're going to hit on this now. You're going to hit menu. It's going to take you to the TV's menu. So I'm point it at the sensor. Alright, you're going to go over to memory. And yes, this has to be done each time. So go over to memory usage. There you go. Notice that the TV is in red. It's showing 0.91 gigabytes use of 1 gigabyte use. And of course, it's showing you what's using it. Now, for some reason, this TV is using up a lot of memory. I think naturally the TV will load stuff in the background to keep it running. So it will never be at zero. Because the TV itself and the main operating system does need to load into memory. Alright, but for now I'm just going to advise you what to do. Notice here as well, it says that YouTube is running in the background. It hasn't closed, and it says Google Play and ESPN. Now of course these are apps on the TV. Sometimes these can have memory leaks and that's what's causing it. So what you're going to do is just move down to click to free. Alright. So we're going to go to click to free. Alright, so I'm going to click. Notice it frees up now. Give it a little time. Notice it says there that the memory is freed. Nothing is running. And notice how much is free now guys. It's at 828 megabyte. Notice also that these apps will reload themselves. It's also a good idea to turn on the feature that says remind me when memory is less than 10. So in the future, if it warns you, you can always know exactly when this is happening, so you can come back here. But for now, I'm just showing you the long way. Alright, so notice it will load back stuff. Go ahead and hit the menu button to go to the smart home TV feature. Sorry, wrong. Hit the home button to go to the smart TV button. So home. So go back home. And of course, let's give it a little time. There you go. Notice that the TV came on. I don't want to show the game, so I'm going to block it out. There's a game playing in the background. I don't want to get a copyright strike. But you do see that the TV instantly comes back on. Alright, so if I want to know, guys, if I want to trigger it, I'll show you that I can trigger it. So notice it's working fine. I can go over to the TV. I'm going to block this out. Don't want to get a copyright strike. Let's go over to the TV. Notice sorry, let me exit this. Exit to exit this menu. Notice the TV will work. So go back over to the TV. Notice it's selected in the middle. Go to the TV. Alright, so there you go. The TV is working fine. So the problem is fixed. It's a memory issue. Alright, so what I'm going to do here now, guys, is I'm going to trigger the problem again to show you I can recreate the problem. So you understand the problem fully. So I'm going to go to menu. Sorry, not menu. I don't know why I'm saying menu. I'm going to go to Smart TV Home. Alright, so when I'm in Smart TV Home, notice the TV is working in the background. But if I go down to YouTube, I'm going to go to YouTube again. Forgive me, I'm going to blur stuff out. Notice the YouTube app is going to load. Alright, so you see here I'm going to choose a random video. Alright, don't want to get a copyright strike as well, so it's turned down. Alright, it's now loading. I'm going to go back to home. And there you go, I'm back to home. And notice in the background the TV should be playing, but it's not working now. So the problem has been recreated. So the problem is the apps. So here again, I'm going to go back to TV and show you the problem has been recreated. Alright, there you go. So the problem has been recreated. So all I have to do is just do what I showed just now. Make sure to turn on the memory warning so you know when the memory is exceeded. And to fix this long term, I suggest you could erase everything on your TV and only place the bare essential apps. Update your apps as well. So I suggest that you update all your apps to the latest version. If you have a lot of apps that's not non-essential, like for example you have 50 different apps in the that's loading, that's hogging the memory, make sure that you go ahead and uninstall those apps. I would only keep the bare essentials such as like YouTube and the key apps that I use. If you can't avoid the situation, you'll have to do this every time. Remember to check the box that says to warn you whenever this happens, so you can quickly get to knowing when this is happening, so you can fix the issue. Let me see otherwise. I think that's it basically, guys. It's a unique problem. I just want to point this out. It can happen to any TV. This might be a little bit different than another TV. So on another TV you might have the problem where this might manifest itself in the same way, or maybe the TV will get slow. So it's a good idea to always free up your memory. If there's no option to free up memory, you can always do it the long way of going through closing out apps and uninstalling unnecessary apps. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap up the tutorial here. And always guys, Ricardo Gardner from Black Tech Tips with another quick tip showing you to fix this really annoying issue with JVC or the TVs. Ricardo Gardner saying bye until next time. Bye.